In his recent visit to Africa, Chinese Foreign Minister Qin Gang promised that China will work with Africa to further deepen experience sharing and mutual learning on governance and development. This cooperation is likely to center around the outcomes of the 8th Ministerial Conference of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation held in Dakar, Senegal in November 2021. Here's CGTN's Robert Nagila with more.
Since the African Union became a full member of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation in 2011, its partnership with China has realized a number of positive outcomes beneficial to Africa. In 2012, China built and financed the $200 million African Union headquarters in the Ethiopian capital, Addis Ababa. And that relationship has grown from strength to strength, that in the last decade, China's become Africa's largest trading partner. In 2022, trade between China and Africa increased to a record $282 billion, an 11% increase from the previous year.
China, I think, is one of the leading countries that has demonstrated the will to work closely with Africa, strengthening solidarity and cooperation. And therefore, I think key milestones will be measured in terms of the CDC headquarters built in Addis Ababa.
Inaugurated in January this year, during a visit by China's Foreign Minister Qin Gang, the Africa CDC headquarters in Addis Ababa is yet another manifestation of the fruits of China's pledge to help strengthen Africa's public health system following commitments made at the 2018 FOCAC summit in Beijing. China is also working closely with Africa on a number of economic, development and infrastructure projects.
Other areas of cooperation between Africa and China will be around the question of food security and to what extent will China work closely with the African continent in terms of training, boosting technology in agriculture.
At the 8th FOCAC Ministerial Conference in November 2021, President Xi Jinping announced 9 programs to help expand China-Africa cooperation. They include medical and health, poverty reduction and agricultural development, trade promotion, investment promotion, digital innovation, green development, capacity building, cultural and people-to-people exchanges, and peace and security. A number of these programs have already been initiated or are in the process of implementation. And it is this that is likely to be the focus of the strengthening ties between China and the African Union. Robert Nagila, CGTN, Nairobi, Kenya.